Hi everyone, today I wanted to share a weight loss smoothie. It also works as a breakfast smoothie in general. The first ingredient is 2 bananas. The second ingredient is 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. The third ingredient is 2 glasses of low-fat milk. The fourth ingredient is 100 ml of oatmeal. And the final ingredient is 1 ml of cinnamon. The first step is adding everything into the blender. The peanut butter is optional. It helps keep you from going hungry for longer. But if your focus is cutting all fats, then you don't need to include it. The next step is adding 2 glasses of low-fat milk. Then add 100 ml of oatmeal and 1 ml of cinnamon. Blend it for 1 minute. This smoothie gives you a strong start on your day and keeps you from going hungry for a good portion of your day. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Super delicious breakfast. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more videos. Hope you all have a nice day. Bye bye.